The PowerFinder 4G is a robust GPS tracker with a long-life battery, ideal for locating and monitoring vehicles, trailers, boats, or other valuable assets. You decide how and where to use the tracker. No cables, no complex installation. It is magnetic, splash-proof, and with its impressive 3-month battery life, it's ready for extended outdoor use. Through our Finder portal, you can easily control all settings on your smartphone or desktop. Here you can see the location of your tracker, live, worldwide, and around the clock. All movements are stored for up to 365 days, including detailed analysis. You choose which alarms are important to you. In case of movement or vibration, when entering or leaving a defined area, when speed limits are exceeded, when the tracker is removed, and when the battery is low. With PAJ GPS, you get a perfectly coordinated complete solution consisting of a GPS tracker, SIM card with unlimited 4G data plan, and Finder portal software. This includes a flexible subscription that you can choose freely depending on the term and features. What our service promises and reliably delivers. Worldwide live tracking, always on the best available network. Location sharing function. Regular software updates with new functions. Maximum data security and strict data protection. Personal 24/7 customer support. We are your everyday companion and point of contact in an emergency. Over 500,000 customers worldwide trust PAJ GPS, with top ratings and real success stories. Getting started is easy. The system is ready to use right away. With the PowerFinder 4G, you protect everything that matters to you.